Hi, quick guide how to take apart Nokia. I think it's a 5530 Music Express. Taking this one apart because my partner's broken the internal charging socket. Been on it a while, I finally sussed it. So use a flat screwdriver, just inside around the edges, hopefully you can see them. There's 4 grooves, one there, I've damaged it a bit. One there. You have to get a screwdriver in there, maybe wider than this, and prise the top up under there, so the top flicks off like that. You'll see nothing on the back, so I couldn't figure out how to do it. That trim doesn't come off; it comes with the front. This one's obviously got a touch screen. A touch screen to get to the screws to further remove part of the phone. You need to get rid of this touch screen. So I sussed out, I've got a small like Stanley knife blade. Try and get under here and just flick one side up. Be careful because the touch screen's got wiring on it. I think that's coming off. This one's not been apart for ages, if at all. Well, this side's got the wires on it. See, I'll stick to the other side and put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. It's a tiny blade under here. Try and keep your fingers under the screen, stop it popping back on, maybe. I think we're there. Obviously if you're going to use the phone again, it's you've got to be careful, maybe find a better method, but this one's old. It's a junk phone. I'm just going to see if I can repair it. Right, that's one side off. No, this other side's popped on. Right, so we're up that way, so we're folding touchscreen out. You've obviously got to be careful with these wires down there. So I don't know how to disconnect this yet, but so this is a touchscreen. Here's your 4 screws to get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now just so you know, I've written it down here. This is a TORX drive, they call them in this country anyway. This one's made by a Draper, TX Star, but it's the correct term, TORX drive. There you go. So you want a TORX 6 screwdriver. Tiny little stars, but you probably can't see it, it's so small. One of the smallest you can get. Flat screwdriver and a blade. That's all I've done for now, but to get into the phone, that's what you need to do. So hopefully this video's helped. Thank you very much. Cheers, bye.